Hello everyone, welcome back to Planet Roomba. Today, we are gonna do a review on the Roborock Qrevo S. Now, unfortunately, the mopping test will be cancelled because the multifunctional dock had a red light, so if I leave the tank like this, red light will go out, but now I can't mop. So, forget the mopping, let's just start. So first, if we look at the floor, I put some beans all over the tiles, carpet, even in the little corner. And I also put some underneath the doorstop. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go.
Starting to clean.
Here we go. So first it's gonna position, and then it will start cleaning the corners. And what a good start. It is not touching others. That is great. That's because it uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance, just like on the original Qrevo. Now, so I bought this at Joyce Lane for $995. It was the last box on the shelf. So, thanks to our staff, they took it off the display, put it in a box. Now I just picked it up at the loading dock. I forgot to put some beans in here because I have some other carpets too. I have 2 of these carpet. I got one in my bedroom, and then in here we have the same freaking carpet. Now it's just going around the kitty water. We'll see how well it picks up Ecovax's snacks. Like, it already did. Gosh, this guy is a brave banana. Now, the cons about this are there's no flexi arm riser, so side brush it will not extend. Also, because this robot is older than the Curve, no adapt lift chassis, and also a bit older than the Qrevo Slim. It's not slim. Also, it couldn't get the beans that were underneath the door stopped. However, the vent at the back just blew it out from the doorstop. Yeah. Is this me, or does it look like the wheels are squeaking? It's probably because of the beams, maybe. Like, they're so tiny that they can even fit in a wheel. Let's see how... It cannot avoid that poop. What a good job you're doing. We'll see how well it does on carpet. It just nailed it on this red carpet. Let's see how it does on the carpet. This little area is looking good. Same with this area. But it didn't even clean right here. All this yellow carpet. Back when it was cleaning corners, it missed those beams, so if this robot fails, it is okay. I can give it 2 more chances. So let's see how well it cleans. Gonna have to stand on this mat because this robot cannot climb over ledges. Like what? Can't climb. That's because it's older than the curve. See? Missed the corner. Now it's just gonna try again, give itself a chance. Now where's it off to? Back into this room to finish this little area. I even got my Narwhal 3X Plus here charging. Let's watch Qrevo clean. how brave he is to eat narwhal's snacks. Whoa. He's extremely brave. Anyways, I'm just having too much fun. Now he's back in this area. How well I avoid this table and KO! Roborock wins. Looks like it found it. That's a funny way to get on the dock, lol. But he's not in correctly. He's gonna have to try again.
Emptying dustbin.
Alright guys, video is finished. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, comment and share. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.